Facebook killed their blockchain. The engineers took 200M and built this instead. Meet Aptos, a new high-performance Layer 1 blockchain created by the original team behind Facebook's DIY&RELAX project. When Meta abandoned their blockchain ambitions, this team didn't give up. They secured massive funding from top investors like A16's, Multicoin, and Binance to build what they believe will be the safest and most scalable blockchain in the world. What makes Aptos different? It's built on the Move programming language, specifically designed for blockchain use cases. This isn't just another Ethereum competitor, it's a complete rethinking of how blockchain should work. Aptos promises exceptional performance through its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism with security and scalability at its core. The project has been moving quickly, launching its DevNet in March, an incentivized testnet in May, and targeting mainnet launch in Q3. With the original DiY&RELAX creators behind it, Aptos represents a second chance to build the blockchain that could finally deliver on the promise of mass adoption.